Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the messaging desk in the Snowball platform, and I'll be using our demo account to walk you through the steps. Now the first thing I'd like to explain is that most companies actually hand the messaging responsibilities over to us, so we can message your customers, nurture that conversation, have the back and forth until they're ready to leave a review or a referral. However, if you'd like to do it yourself, roll up your sleeves and get in there, you're totally more than welcome to, which is what I will show you how to do in this video. Okay, so first log into your Snowball account and then click on the message tab on the left. This is what the messaging desk looks like. Now, not everybody has access to the messaging desk. So first you'll need to be on our referral plan, and you'll also need a paid seat on that plan, which you can manage in your My Team settings here. After you meet both of those criteria, you'll need to head over to admin controls here and assign yourself to the messaging desk. If you click on a conversation in the messaging desk and this pop-up appears at the top, that means that you were not assigned to the messaging desk when that conversation started, so you don't have access to it. However, once you click on a conversation that you do have access to, that pop-up will go away and you'll be able to text the customer. Alright, let me show you how the messaging desk works. So first you can use the search bar at the top to search for specific keywords and narrow down the conversations. You can also use the filter icon here to find a specific conversation you're looking for. And you can click on the pencil icon to start a new conversation with one of your contacts. Okay, now let's look at a specific conversation. In the top left-hand corner of the conversation, you'll see the person's name and their phone number, and then underneath you'll see 3 different icons. If you hover over them, they'll tell you what they mean. So this is a referral, the star is a review, and this last icon is for a video testimonial. If the customer has performed any of these actions, the icon will be highlighted a certain color. So because these icons are currently grayed out, this customer has not performed any of these actions. But if we go to a different conversation, you'll see here that this customer has left a review, and you can tell because the star icon has been highlighted yellow. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use the actual messaging feature. So if you click on the message field, you can type out your own personalized message, or you can use a template. To learn how to manage templates or create new ones, please see our Help Center. So click on the template icon here, and then you'll see all the message templates that you have created. Go ahead and select the one you'd like to use. The template will auto-populate, and then from here you can edit it and change it to match the specific conversation you're having with this individual. Once you're satisfied with the message, there are a couple of other things that you can do. So first you can click on the plus sign icon at the bottom left, and here you can share 2 different links. So first you can click share your profile, and then if we open this in a new tab, you'll see that it is my personal rep profile. So you can use this link if you are wanting to request endorsements. The other link option here is share your company profile. If we open that in a new tab, it's going to take us to the company's bestcompany.com profile, where the customer can leave a review. You can also include attachments in your message. So you can click on the attachments icon at the bottom here, go through your desktop and select anything you'd like to attach to the message. And last, you can set a reminder by clicking on the bell icon here, and then click Set Reminder. You can use this feature if you'd like to remind yourself to follow up with the customer, or any other kind of action you need to remind yourself to take with the customer. So give the reminder a title, add some notes, and then select a date and a time. And then at that date and time, you will receive a reminder, and then click Save. Once you have created a reminder for a specific conversation, you'll notice in their conversation on the left that a bell icon has appeared next to their name. And now you're ready to send the message. You can click on the send icon here to send the message right now, or you can select the arrow to schedule the message. So let's say we want to schedule this for today, just later today, so you can select the date and then choose a time and then click schedule. You'll see in the conversation itself that the message is scheduled to send. You can click manage here to manage the scheduled message, or you can click on the clock icon in the top left-hand corner to see all of your scheduled messages and manage them from here. Hopefully this has been helpful. Good luck using the messaging desk to have conversations with your customers.